Masakit isipin, Mr. Speaker, pero totoo po ito. Fathers owning their tricycles to settle debts. Mothers selling their meager belongings. Students using their tuition fees in hopes of a big win that never comes. Online gambling is no longer something one needs to seek out. Hindi na natin siya hinahanap. Ito mismo ang lumalapit at humahabol sa atin. Sa mga screens na araw-araw nating ginagamit. To make matters worse, Mr. Speaker, our people are bombarded daily with online gambling advertisements. These ads glamorize betting as harmless entertainment, masking its addictive nature and the heavy cost it may exact on mental health, family stability, and economic well-being. Sa madaling salita, nakabalot sa aliw ang lason. This is a public health issue as much as it is a moral one sa bawat pamilyang nadudurog dahil dito may kabataang nawawalan ng kinabukasan. Bigyan natin sila ng pagkakataong makabangon. Tao muna bago negosyo. Sama-sama nating ipaglaban ang kinabukasan ng ating bayan.